Well, the troll train is coming to an end. After 14 years, Alex Martin has decided, or announced, whatever you want to call it, that after after the end of the 2022 motocross season, he is retiring. And if you want to read his full Instagram post, the picture will be up right about in a second or two, whatever. If you want to pause and read it, you can. It's a long one, so I'm not going to go through the whole thing. But he does have one thing. His 250 career is what he's best known for. Martin currently holds the record for most motos completed, I'm assuming on a 250, with 272. Obviously, he only had, I think, one season on a 450, but other accomplishments were two-time motocross runner-up in 2018 and 2016, two-time motocross champion, two motocross championship 250 wins, 22 motocross podiums, 3 supercross podiums. He was on the Motocross of Nations team in 13 and 14, and also Motocross of Nations team for Puerto Rico and now for the USA in 2016. So after this year, there's still 7 rounds left. Go out and watch them. Go out to a motocross event. They're great. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.